Good morning from our Weather Center. I'm Silbert Mills. Good to have you with us. Let's get right into your morning weather here across the Bahamas. Starting out with the tropics, and we'll get into it a little bit more defined. Here is Earl. Earl, of course, rode right up along east of the Abacos and is now into Cape Hatteras and posing some challenges as a Category 2 storm. And nothing that we have is being impacted by Earl. We've got Fiona off in the distance. It looks pretty ragged. And again, it's far enough east that it's not posing any challenges for us at all in this part of the Bahamas. We do have some, again, if you look at the map, it's very clear that we have no issues with these storms as they go through this morning. All right, let's take a look at our satellite imagery. Bring it a little closer to you. Here is Earl. Earl is moved again on into with a large cloud mass hitting New York right now. Fiona, ragged looking, and what was Gaston is now a tropical depression and not a tropical storm. Looking at Fiona a little closer, there's maybe some clouds out there, but nothing again that we can say is connected to Fiona that's really ragged looking. It's going to remain a tropical storm throughout the life of this storm. Radar summary, we're seeing some isolated showers off in the Florida Straits, showers just north of West End. And then one or two showers showed up early this morning around the nation's capital and a few showers offshore, but nothing really to worry about. Really beautiful, beautiful conditions today. 10 to 15 knots southeast to south up and down the coast for you. Beautiful for boating. You please do exercise caution. There's still some chance of some light swells. On the most part, you'll see generally 10 to 15 as you go out. Much improved day. Lots of sunshine in the Bahamas. Now let's track the tropics and tell you what our tropical update is across the nation. Starting out as we look at, again, here is Earl, Fiona. This was Gaston and another wave coming off the African coast. It is busy, folks. It is busy. It's a busy time as we're in the peak of the hurricane season. But it's nothing, again, that we should worry about. We were paying some attention, a little bit of attention to Gaston here, but Gaston has been downgraded from a tropical storm to a depression, and we'll be watching it throughout the course of the upcoming days. Here's the forecast for tomorrow. Frontal system is coming down. This front will be bringing with it some unsettled conditions, seeing a blob of showers and thunderstorms north of Abaco and Grand Bahama for tomorrow. Some showers down near near the South Florida area into the South and Central Bahamas. So that's the forecast for tomorrow. Look for the winds to be variable, 10 knots or less, 4 to 6 feet with mixed swells. Again, the ocean has been churned up for weeks with all of these various storms, and as a result of that, there's still some rolly conditions, rogue seas that are possible. So we're urging you to exercise some degree of caution as you go from day to day. Even though you'd have some 10-knot winds, you might see some rogue waves coming in across the Atlantic. That's what it's going to be looking like up and down the Bahamas for tomorrow, for Saturday. That's tomorrow, and then on Sunday, 5 to 10 knots will be variable. Another beautiful day across the nation's chance of afternoon showers and isolated thunderstorms in the forecast for Sunday and as well. That's a look at your weather. We encourage you to log on to the Abaco Disaster Committee webpage. That's if you want to Google it, Google search it at abacodisastercommittee.com. This weather is loaded up to that site by about 9:30 every morning. If you want to get a rerun, those of you that have visitors at your resorts, this is a good chance for them to look at local weather conditions. Today is going to be nice for boating. Tomorrow is even nicer for boating. Sunday is even better for boating. So for you, those that are visiting, I know this is a slow period. If you're here, go on out and enjoy the waters. Be nice out there. That's a look at your weather from BCN's Weather Center. Please stay with us. We'll be back in just a minute.